roof scoop is right. Oh, there it is. Yep. Oh, don't want to damage that. This thing is probably worth just as much as this car. Speaking of this car, this is Dave's right-hand drive Honda Integra Type R. And one of the best features is look at this OG key that it came with. Super old school. All right, what's up, you guys? We are back in Vancouver at SR Auto Group, who happen to be loading up a gorgeous SLS. I love this car. This car's got the gull wing doors, the exact same doors that you can get on a Pagani. This is a lot cheaper than a Pagani. So if you want this style of door, this is a great car to go with. So this is the Novatech roof scoop for the 720 GTR. And guess what? You simply glue it to the roof. Can you even believe that? $3,000 and you just glue it right here in between onto the existing carbon fiber OEM roof, might I add. This is the Novatech and Largo roof Aero Scoop is what they call it, Aero Scoop.
Mia, I drove across there with Mia from the island, just napped for 3 hours.
Teenagers these days.
I need 8 hours of sleep. I only got 5 last night.
That's the idea.
Nailed it. Ray, glue this on.
That's pretty cool.
What brand is that?
Oh, wow.
Is that a Novatech?
It is. I'm trying to mimic the roof scoop of the P1. Got about the right profile. Again, not functional. I say that every time. Ironically, the P1's roof scoop is like a foot back in the middle of the roof. I don't think I've ever noticed that before. Have you guys ever noticed that? I always thought the roof scoop on a P1 was like right up here, but it's not. It's like way in the middle of the roof. Interesting. And yes, functional. This is all I can afford. Since I can't afford the insurance on this, I just have to get carbon parts. How does it sit right now?
Did you actually use glue or double adhesive tape?
Cement glue.
Contact cement.
Actually?
Contact cement, yes.
Well, a model car here or what?
Yeah, we are. We're building, yeah. This is DD 720 GTR model car. Okay, in order to get the roof scoop to actually stay on the car, we gotta take it to a body shop. We're just gonna go down the road.
Here we are in Vancouver, and you guys, it's cold. This is Canada. This is like, we are in winter now. I'm gonna drive my Integra Type R, Honda Integra Type R, on a USDM1, the real deal, over with Damon to the auto body shop, talk about that roof scoop. I wanna chat with you guys about some parts I ordered for this car. I'm really gonna do this right. I'm not gonna do some hack job build like I did when I was 18. I'm gonna do the build I wanted to do when I was 18. Ray here at SR ordered me some parts, some spoon parts. The hood, the lip, the brake, suspension. Even the rims are spoons. So this will be a full JDM spoon build. Looks good. POV drive with the Type R. Pretty sure Type R beat that in a race. Hold on. Maybe not. That thing is so rich. All I can smell is gas burning right now. Come on, B-Tech! Come on, B-Tech! Okay guys, I hit B-Tech a little too hard, headed back to the garage for a quick minute. All right, as you guys know, the borders have been closed now for almost a year. No travel for us Canadians. We are stuck here in Canada for the time being, and I'm getting a little stir crazy. So I had an idea. I took $28,000 of company money and created my own vacation room right behind this door. That's right, a green screen studio. I'm not joking. I have the lighting, the green screen, more lighting. I have soundproofing so my neighbors can't hear me cry. So here we are, you guys. We're finally able to take a vacation together, you and me. Don't make it weird. Or make it weird, that's okay too. We're at the beach right now. Beautiful, right? It's warm, sunny, sand in the toes. You get a drink. Tastes good, but apparently the water and the ice wasn't that clean. Starts to get a little stomach bug. You're sick for a few days. It's all part of the experience, and honestly, I miss that. Okay, here we are now, you guys. We're in Italy. Pasta, red wine, espresso, Lamborghini, Ferrari. Now, you can go on vacation, or you can visit family members. There's no stopping you when you have a green screen in your house. Let's go visit your uncle. No, your uncle doesn't have a house. Your uncle's in prison. What if you had a little surprise for your uncle, and in your prison wallet, you smuggled in your phone. So now your uncle can play Raid Shadow Legends, which happens to be sponsoring today's video. Let's get straight to the game. Badass champions? Check. Tough bosses? Check. Millions of players? Check. Years of content and regular updates? Check and check. Raid Shadow Legends has it all. Caught in the middle of an epic struggle that's raged for thousands of years, you'll fight noble kings and dark wizards. You'll uncover prophecies, curses, betrayals, and meet more than 12 warring factions. This game brings back every single thing I remember remember about my weird childhood, all with gameplay I can take anywhere. We've been working with Raid for a very, very long time. In fact, I have one of our first promos from 2 years ago. I'm gonna watch with you guys right now because it's changed a lot since then, just like the game. We're always evolving. Nerds at Raid are making it better. The nerds at TDE are making our shows more watchable. Check this out.
Champions for you to both collect and personally customize. Just check out the detail.
And let's think about where it's come since then. From Damon quietly reading the notes on a few cards with as much energy as I have at 2 in the morning after a long day of filming, to obviously bigger and crazier productions. Me with the excavator, one of my favorite promos, Mia off-roading the G-Wagon, all that fun stuff, all made possible to Raid Shadow Legends. Thanks to Raid, we've been able to buy more cars and do more bigger videos for you guys. They have been a huge partner of ours, and I really appreciate you guys supporting them as much as they support us. And just like us at DDE, Raid doesn't sit still. Last month, Raid just released their biggest ever update. The main event is here, the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 seriously bad bosses to take on. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I just can't wait to dive in. Raid Shadow Legends is free to play both on mobile and desktop. There's really never been a better time to start playing. And the best part is the Raid team is giving away a bunch of new free goodies, plus a super special champion to help get everyone started in the tower, the Bulwark. He's absolutely awesome in Clan Boss, and he's also going to be a huge help in the tower against those bosses. So what are you waiting for? You can find me under the username Dave_DDE. Click the link in the description, download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. If you're a new player, you'll get your free Void Champion Bulwark, 50 gems, an XP booster, some energy refills, and even an ancient shard as soon as you get in the game. All this treasure will be waiting for you right over here. The rewards are only available for new members and only for the next 3 days, so you better hurry up, you son of a...
We need tech. Back here, Fast Track Auto Body.
This car is so much fun.
I miss this car.
So much
What's
fun.
more fun, this or the Type R? Okay. You can taste that one. The roof scoop, it's in good hands here at Fast Track Auto Body. Takes about 24 hours. Thanks, Andrew. Hey, see you guys. Get in the JDM space. I'm going. Holy, that was third gear. What the hell?
It's got so much power, dude.
Kicked into VTEC. You guys, we're gonna take Mia over to Rapworks and we're gonna show her her car. She hasn't seen it, so don't say anything. That's right. You can't talk to her right now. She's in the car. I was in the fourth gear. We must be in the JDM space.
Yeah, we are.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we need to get an e-brake fixed.
We need to get the park brake fixed. This does not do anything.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so fun. Okay, Mia, since the last time we saw you in your Lamborghini, we've made a few modifications. Now, you know that gorgeous, amazing sand gloss color you wanted?
Yeah.
We don't have it, but we did something very, very special instead. It's a really bright color, just what you want. You said bright, right? Lots of bright colors.
No, I said no bright colors. I
No,
don't
she said
want
bright
it
colors.
She likes bright colors.
See this?
Yeah,
We
like
made
this?
your car match Dad's car.
That's not obnoxious at all.
It's super obnoxious. I'm just joking. We didn't do that. Come on inside. Cover her eyes. Block her eyes. Oh, there you go. That's
can't
really good.
see.
That's, come on.
Come on.
Are you okay? You smashed your
I don't
hand.
trust you guys.
Keep coming forward. You're good.
Oh boy.
Keep coming.
She's gonna
keep
love
coming.
it.
Where am I going?
Keep coming.
right
Keep coming. Put your hands down here.
Feel it?
You feel it?
What color does it feel like?
What color would I wrap your car?
no.
Take this off. You can look.
Oh, it's black.
Yeah, your car's black underneath.
Okay, I prefer it to be black than like some crazy stupid color.
This is DD. We're all about stupid, crazy colors. We have the headlights out. We have the front bumper off. Oh, there's a little remnants of the blue left right there. This car, when the owner wrapped it, went really extreme to taking the entire car apart.
Right.
He went so crazy, he went into places that typically you wouldn't normally need to go. And then he wrapped it, and then he wrapped over the wrap with PPF, the clear stuff. So this car is a really big job to take all the blue off. That's why they're still working at getting all the blue off of this car. Now, we're trying to order the gloss hand color, but if we can't get it, what's your backup color?
The khaki green.
The khaki green?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's between khaki green and the sand gloss, you guys. You're gonna have to stay tuned and then see the whole reveal. We'll surprise Mia when it's done. But look at this. This car's been a lot of work to get all the pieces taken apart and all that blue taken off. We're gonna leave you here for the next few hours and you just start picking away at all the blue.
Oh, that'd be great.
Right? So you don't have to do it?
That'd be awesome.
What color is this? This is crazy.
The color shift color.
Color shifting. What do you think of this, Mia? Do you want color shifting? No?
I like the super gloss khaki green, but my
gloss
favorite's
khaki-
the sand.
The
I
sand?
love the sand.
I almost had it. Almost had that all in one piece.
Oh, the blue's off the Lamborghini part.
Yeah, it is off the engine.
Crazy.
Yeah. Bang it out, Sam.
Clearly.
Banging it out. There's no way this guy has kids. All this protection on this car. This guy knows what's up. Yes. So satisfying.
Even though we've taken clear bra off and then wrap this, it's still clear bra. The entire front bumper. Got the whole front bumper still to do. 3 layers of wrap. So many little pieces of this crap everywhere. Well, we made some progress. We got a lot of the blue off. There's still a bunch of, see those little thin pieces? That's the worst. We gotta take the bumper apart to get into all these areas, but we got all the blue off of here, all off of here. Unfortunately, we gotta take the complete side skirt off to get the rest of the blue in there. Check this out, you guys. It's wrapped.
Nuts.
It's nuts.
They were saying to do this same wrap today. So clear, wrap, clear. Way it's done, $25,000 it costs to do this.
Okay, Sam, thanks, brother. You son of a...
You son of a...
See you tomorrow. Oh, yeah. What is it? Something about this stupid little piece makes it just look so much more aggressive. That is so cool.
Yeah, I mean, hold it by itself is not as crazy looking, but you put it on the car, definitely.
That is
like the party.
That is so cool. You like it? I love this stuff. Little things like this just add to the aggressiveness of the overall car. Like when I started building this car, saying GTR didn't make sense, but there's 3 factors that I considered that you have to do to a car to make it anything to qualify as a GTR. All GTR models have 3 major things. More downforce. So that wing, chassis mounted wing, in its position that it's fixed at, with this aero blade, creates more downforce than this wing creates when it's up. So we have more downforce on the car. The final touches will be a couple of canards right here up on the front. Then the next thing is lightening the car up. So we've gone ahead and we've added full carbon fiber hood. We have carbon fiber louvered fenders. We have additional carbon fiber all around the body of the car. And then we have these amazing carbon fiber Dimag Vorsteiner wheels. So we've lightened up the wheels and the overall car. Last but not least, more power. You gotta have more power. So with the unobtainium exhaust and a tune, we're putting out about 850 wheel horsepower at the moment. Now remember, 720's got 720 horsepower. These cars are probably a little underrated. I didn't dyno it before we did all the tuning and stuff like that, but it is significantly faster and we're only gonna make it more faster. The whole idea behind this build was to do 1,000 wheel horsepower, right Dave?
1,000 horsepower at the wheels.
Lighten up the car, more horsepower, more downforce, and make the car look more aggressive. That's what qualifies this car to be renamed as a GTR, in my opinion. I think this is really coming together now. Well, huge shout out to Andrew and the whole team here at Fast Track Auto Body. They've been making my little visions and creations in my head come to life. You know, since the 458, they will be the ones that recreate that old wide body Ferrari on the new 488 once we're done with the winter beater. You gotta remember, winter actually just officially started on the 21st of December. For about 2 months, we're gonna keep beating the snot out of that car in the snow. We will bring that car here with the Liberty walkover fenders, wide body kit it, and the chassis mounted GT3 wing and all the Vorsteiner parts going onto that car. But we have one major thing we need to decide as a team. What do I put on it for a wheel? Because you have to make a special wide body offsetted wheel for that car. Do we do a carbon wheel like this? Could they even do a carbon wheel? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. We gotta go active, we need to do this, we need to do it. Oh, no more aero. No longer active for the aero on this car. And we're out of here. Thanks again, Fast Track Auto Body. These guys are magicians. Andrew runs the business side of things. Tony is the magician.
do it. We've got VTEC. Yeah, ready? Damn it, let's race. Let's race. What do we do? Ready? Huh? You got VTEC! No! Dude, what the hell just happened? I had VTEC, didn't I? You had VTEC. How did he beat us? Too bad his car's still slow. He doesn't have VTEC. No VTEC. Damn it, you. It does look crazy, like looking at that roof shoot right now. Pretty crazy. We had to come to Lamborghini of Vancouver. Thanks to the guys here. This car being lowered, the new Evo platform and the Performante, I believe. Once you lower a car, it has to be reset in the system so it knows its new ride height. I gotta take this thing for a test drive. Everybody wanted to know what happens when it rains and you're driving the Evo Aperta. Well, you're about to find out. The answer probably is, I'm gonna get a little wet. All right, you ready guys? Ready for this? You have to go for a little rip. It's raining right now, I'm getting wet. We'll make this quick. Hold on. Well, that was interesting. What everyone has been asking, you guys have all been beating my door down about this. Everyone's like, where's the SVJ? You say you were gonna get an SVJ. We've been waiting to find the perfect SVJ spec. It's not the easiest thing to do. I don't wanna jump in. They're very expensive, brand new. So we've been looking for a higher mileage used example. What's cool is, what do they have in here?
An SVJ?
They have 2 SVJs. And it's kind of like the good and evil of SVJs. And they're roadsters, fully spec'd, very expensive, $800,000+ Canadian dollar range. Why don't we go and check those out? Because maybe one of these is dad's spec. Now, would you go white or black if you don't like bright colors?
I love the white. It's my favorite color. It's the matte finish. Like, you appreciate it in person, but it has a really unique thing. The light fades away into it, so there's no shiny spots.
We got this matte white, probably my favorite interior spec. Comfort seats, not the carbon seats, and in blue. I'm a huge blue and white kind of combination person. If you guys remember, my old Huracan at one time had a white livery with blue accents. So this would be probably a spec I'd really dig. Issue is, again, this is $828,000. I might have to get rid of a car to really justify this. So the question is, what car in the fleet has to go? Comment below, let me know. Should we go white or should we actually go with the black spec around the corner? Really doesn't get any more evil than that. So we basically have good and evil right here. So I wanna know, what would you guys choose? Would you go with the matte black, Batman, Batmobile, Bruce Wayne-esque? What do you think, Mia?
I like this one more.
Why?
It's just meaner looking. I'm more attracted to this one.
This car is super sick. I would take it because it's mean looking and it's tough looking. It's like your own bodyguard driving around with you.
Yeah.
I'm sold. I wonder what DD would like. What would you guys rather see? You guys comment below.
Maybe a bright pink one?
No pink, no pink. This one has a ton of carbon fiber that I think the other one didn't have. One of the things I noticed right away, the carbon sides here, but then this whole piece that they have for the insert, this is all dry carbon on this car. This piece before wasn't. In all honesty, I'm being serious. An $800,000+ SVJ, it's not in the cards for us. We're really looking to find one around the $600,000 mark. So the hunt continues. Thank you for watching this episode. Please smash the subscribe button, join the DD fam. 2021 is gonna be a big year. We have a lot of surprises, things we're not gonna let out of the bag. Say goodbye to everybody. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. All this protection on this car, this guy knows what's up. Yeah. You got no child support payments, I'll tell you that much. This guy wraps it up real tight. Blue.
Why do you guys have to always make it about something sexual?
Whoa. Don't say the S word around us. That's your mind. Kids these days, no respect for their elders.
Oh my god, Dave.